This one I gave to my old high school students there. Again, they were all very much battling with negative self-talk. One of those things I have a lot of experience with. The value for me, being a depressive, is that, especially in officiating, is that there's nothing that any coach, any parent, any player can say to me that I have not already said to myself. I win. You're a terrible official. No, I'm a terrible human being. That's what you were going for.
I'll raise it.
Yeah? I'm so much better at this than you. Just try to be original is all I ask. Right? But no, I win. Like now, I don't want people to have to experience what I experienced to get to that point, right? But this is a way to hack that voice that you hear from other people and also your internal voice. It works great with kids. It also works very well. I'd like you to imagine the person who aggravates you the very most in life. Hopefully they're not sitting next to you, but very much aggravates you in life. Okay? Now for me, I've got I have a coach in mind who tends to be a problem, right, that I always know I have to deal with. And I also have thoughts that I have to deal with that are not pleasant. I would now like to invite you to imagine your favorite cartoon character that speaks. Favorite one, SpongeBob, Mickey Mouse. I like Elmer Fudd. You are a horrible person. You're terrible. Right? You are the worst referee in the world. See how easy it is to laugh at that absurdity? But when I'm told that you're the worst referee in the world by a pissed off coach who is, it very well could be his last season based off of their win-loss record, and I get that, and that's how he feeds his family because it's a college game now. I got to take some of that, but I don't have to listen to it the exact same way he intended it. So instead, put that into Elmer Fudd's voice, or put that into something so absurd that it sounds as absurd as it is. Right? I hate myself is an absurd statement, challenging, and encourage your kids to challenge that kind of thing. I'm no good. Challenge that. Right? Nip it in the bud and give them an opportunity to say, hey, all right, I love, whatever, Mickey Mouse or whoever it is, or SpongeBob seems to be one of those coming up, or Futurama, whatever. Put Bender's voice in your head. I don't care. But don't allow this negative voice inside your head, because it's very difficult to argue with yourself, right? Why? Because usually we're right? We like to think that we're right on that, and so it's very difficult to battle that. You terrible, this, back. No. Put that voice, that internal voice, or that from other people, into something that's truly ridiculous. And it's so easy to laugh at. And it just takes that power all the way away from that. And that is far better than words will never hurt, because they will. But we can take the sting out of it. This is one way to do it. Question?